So here we are going to go through MTM ferry. Now we are walking towards the MTM ferry. You will have to walk around half a kilometer almost to reach the ferry from the drop point that you have. If you're not carrying your car, if you're carrying your car, you can go directly inside. You can see this is the entrance. This is the same entrance which is used for the cars. You will be entering from the same place, and it's very nice music playing. It definitely feels great when you welcome by a nice music on a boat. Oh god, it's very huge. It's huge. Actually, it's huge. I think this is the ground deck. Here all the cars and other vehicles like bikes and everything will be parked. They are saying that it's around 100 cars and the same number of bikes that can be board on this ship, and around 1000 passengers. They are charging 300 rupees per head for a passenger, and for a small car they're charging 800 rupees. For a sedan it's around 1000 rupees, and for 1200 rupees for SUV. And I think bikes are 200 rupees a bike. And let me clear that the passenger charge is not included in the car's fare. So if you're paying 1000 rupees for your sedan, you have to pay for 300 rupees for your own ticket. You're carrying the car, and obviously whoever is inside the car. Now this is the first floor or first deck. There's an open deck. There are lots of chairs where you can sit. No roof above your head, and so this is very nice view. There's a front side of the boats. Actually there is no front side or back side fixed basically, because this boat can move in both the directions. So here you can see the car is entering inside. So this deck is exactly above the car's deck. So the black portion that you see is the bridge where the captain sits. So this was actually the back side, or the side which was opposite to the Mumbai, which was facing opposite to Mumbai. Now there's a walkway. So on my left you can see there's a barrier which is made at the Mandwa port to secure it from the high tide and higher waves. So this is the another side of the boat, or the front side in this case, where you have again similar structure where you can sit. So this is basically the second floor of the ship, and there is an AC compartment, or the AC sitting area, which has a nice couch and everything, which I unfortunately haven't covered in this video. So here we go. So boat has started. Now we are leaving Mandwa port. It fairly is definitely noisy, but not as noisy as the size of the boat actually. And so I'm just going fast forward out here. There are lots of ships that we came across. I will have to tell you that it was very bad weather, and still the boat was damn steady. It was really steady. You can see how bad weather was. And these are the huge clouds above Mumbai, and it was really bad weather, but boat was not at all shaking, nothing. Obviously there is lots of splashes of water, but as you sit way higher than your normal other boat services that run between Mandwa and Mumbai, it feels very secure to sit here. Basically, you can see, you can enjoy the very nice views out here. And so as I mentioned, there is the second floor or second deck. Just below there is or front, you can see that there is a sitting area where people were sitting. So again, let's do some time lapse. Now we are moving towards the Mumbai port or Bhaucha Dhaka, and the boat took around 50 minutes. They say it is an hour. It will take an hour or so, but if the weather is not that much bad, or whether even, I think it was a bad weather, but still if we reach around within 50 minutes when we left the boat. Obviously the boarding and unboarding of the cars and people takes more time basically. So here you can see this is actually near the Bhaucha Dhaka. There is a huge ship. I think it's carrying cars. This is automotive cargo ship. It's a huge ship. Our ship will basically go just beside it, and that point I understood like the size of the ship. And now we are almost reached the Mumbai or Bhaucha Dhaka port. Here you can see so here is a huge ship. It's a huge, actually you can see that there is a yellow and black stripes as bottom. This is basically a door from which the cars will go out when we reach Bhaucha Dhaka. So the whole idea is whenever you reach so what happens is when you board the boat, your car will face towards the exit of the boat again. So you will not have to get your car reverse and then come out and everything. So that's why the boarding and unboarding for the cars on this boat is very fluid. It won't take that much time for 100 cars. If you think how much time will take to offboard on 100 cars, it's not going to be much. It's very much similar, even better than the parking spots that we have at the malls and everything. So all these aspects have been covered, I guess, and this boat is excellent service. And I feel it's it cost feels quite a bit high, but I think it's the views and the ambience will get your satisfaction of the money that you have paid. So here I'm fast forwarding again, and we will be reaching Bhaucha Dhaka port. So yes, we have reached here, and this is the same procedure that goes on when we reach Bhaucha Dhaka. The onboarding and everything happens from this front lead that we see.